Okay. Between two mango trees, how many gaps are there? One gap, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Between three trees, how many gaps?
2 gaps.
2 gaps. So between 12 trees, how many gaps?
11 gaps.
11 gaps will be there. So for every gap, how much is the distance? 2 meters, right? 11 gaps are
Yes.
there. For each gap, 2 meters. Overall distance
22.
is 22 meters. 22 meters. And he said one more thing. And the distance of 1 meter left from all the sides of the group. All the sides means this end is 1 meter and this end is also 1 meter. Already we are ready with the 22 plus this side 1 meter and that side 1 meter. Total
Plus
2 meters
2,
should be added.
24.
So total it is 24. Correct. Next, coming to the next question, images. How many types of images are there?
Mirror and water image.
What is the difference between them?
So water image is upside down and mirror image is
No, you are saying reversely. Okay, mirror image, water image. See here. Suppose if a mirror is placed vertically, so then we'll get a mirror image. This is the mirror. Okay. If a mirror is placed horizontally, if this is the mirror position, then we'll get water image. Okay. Left hand side, this is the mirror image. Right hand side, this is the water image. So for this original person, this is his top side, this is his bottom side, this is his right side, and this is his left side. Now tell me, in case of mirror image, top is changed or it is remaining same?
Sir, top and bottom remain same, right and left
Yeah.
get interchanged.
Yes, top and bottom will remain the same, but right side will be on the left side and left side will be on the right side. So right becomes left and left becomes right. So here in this case, in case of mirror image, right and left, sorry, what will happen to right and left? Will
Sir, they will get interchanged.
Top and bottom will remain same. Top and bottom remains same. Yeah. Coming to water image. So for this original person, this is his top side, this is his bottom side, right side and left side. So top will be same or it seems in the bottom?
Sir, top and bottom will remain. Top and bottom will get changed and right and left will remain same.
So right will be right side only and left will be left side only, but bottom will be on the top of the person and top will be on the bottom of the person. So here in case of water image, top and bottom will interchange, and left and right will remain same. Okay. Coming to some, I will give some lines. Tell me, for a horizontal line, what is its horizontal? Sorry, what is its mirror image? For a horizontal line.
So it's same.
Same. What is its water image?
Same.
Same. For a vertical line, mirror image?
Same.
Same. Sorry. Water image?
Same.
Same. Okay, now tell me, if it is a slant line, it's water image, sorry, mirror image?
Sir, it will be opposite of that.
Opposite means, see here, this should maintain vertical symmetry, right? Mirror image will maintain vertical symmetry. Water image will maintain horizontal symmetry. So in vertical symmetry, suppose if you take this is the top point and it is the bottom point, this top point is nearer to the mirror or away from the mirror?
Nearer.
So here also it will be nearer only. This is the top point. And the bottom point is nearer to mirror or away from mirror?
Away.
Away. That's why it should be away from the mirror. So if you join these 2 points again, this is the mirror image. Okay. So let's see water image also. This is the water image. Tell me, the top point is away from the mirror or nearer to mirror?
Away from the mirror.
Away from the mirror. I'm taking somewhere here. And this bottom point is nearer to the mirror.
Closer.
Yeah, if you join this one. So a cross line or a slant line, it will vary. It's a mirror image and water image will vary from the original picture. But if you observe these two will be same or not?
Yes.
Yeah, for a mirror, for a slant line, it is different from the mirror image and water image, but those images are same. Those images are same. That is the rule for slant line. If you take a curved line, suppose if you take C, in case of mirror image, C will be same or it will vary? Mirror image, C will be same or say it will change. It will change. Okay, so this point should be here and this point should be here. Okay, here somewhere. This is somewhere.
So it will be opposite of that.
Yeah, the curved line is moving to the left first. So here it should move right side. Okay, so here in C, open is to the right side, right? Right side is open. So in case of mirror, left side will be open. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. Do one thing here today. What do you do? What you have to do is take a chart like this. Take a paper. Write in this way. Let me take a white paper. Okay. See, letter, mirror image, water image. Okay, letter, mirror image, water image. Here you have to do take all 26 letters A, B, C, D, and so on up to Z. Take all 26 letters. Write their mirror image and water image. That is your homework today. Okay.
So do I need to send in the group?
In the group you need to send, yes. And not only writing these mirror images and water image, you have to send your conclusions also, final conclusions. So some letter and mirror images are same. What are those letters? Letter and water images are same. What are those letters? As well as only mirror images and water images will be same. What are those letters? Suppose I am taking one sample C. I am taking A. So its mirror image is the same, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Water image will be different, inverted A. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. B, its mirror image is inverted B, inverted vertically. And what is its water image? It will remain same. Yeah. In case of A, what parameters are same? Tell me. In case
The
of
mirror image is same, the water image is different.
Yeah, mirror image is same as a letter and water image is different. Okay. In case of B,
the mirror image is different, but the water image is same.
Same as letter. So here, after writing all those images, you have to conclude them. The conclusions are: number one, letter and a mirror image same. So you have to list out all those letters. And second conclusion is letter and water image same. And your third conclusion is letter, mirror image, and water image same. You have to list out all those letters. And one more conclusion is irrespective of letter, only mirror image and water image same. Okay, can you do all these things today as your homework? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write letters, mirror images, and water images, and you have to conclude them. You have to write all these conclusions. Okay. Now we are going to the back to the question paper.
So can you repeat? I got disconnected.
Okay. Okay. So you have to write letters, their mirror images, and their water images. Along with this, after writing all the 26 letters, you have to conclude them. What are the conclusions? You have to list out for which letter and mirror images are same. For which letter and water images are same. For which letter and mirror image and water images are same. And for which letter, irrespective of letter, only mirror image and water images are same.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Running out of time. Okay. We have removed you the 40 minutes time removed. So why there are only 3 people? Na? For 3 people, time limit is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If it is disconnected, we'll connect again. Okay. Right. Yeah, this one. So tell me any approach for this question, 7th question, without writing all the codes for this. Sorry, not codes. Without writing its mirror image.
Sir, option B.
Tell me the approach. Tell me the approach, not
Sir,
the answer.
as 2 is nearer to the mirror, so 2 will be first in the option.
Excellent. Very good. Excellent. Correct. So without writing all the mirror images, directly we can say, so for this word, for this set of elements, so which is nearest to mirror, that will appear first. Or we can say left and right will interchange as the rule of mirror image, left and right will interchange. So rightmost position will come first, leftmost. Yes or no? But 2 will not be same, right? So 2 will be like this. Yeah, this is the option B. Suppose if 2 is matching, then we'll go for another element. Got it? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not all of you, both of you. Okay, then 8th question. This is the number series. You got the logic for this? You need to find the wrong number in the given series.
So I didn't get the logic for this.
Okay. If you take a consecutive elements, a consecutive means a side by side elements, so 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 12, 48, 24, 250, you may not get the logic because there is no common relation. There is no particular pattern. 2
Sir,
to 3.
I got the logic, but
Tell your logic first.
sir, I've taken the alternate number.
Very good. Correct.
2, so if we multiply 2 into 2, we get 4.
Yes, very
and
good.
then 4 into 3, we get 12.
Yes.
And then 12 into 48, 12 into 4, 48.
Yeah.
Then 48 into 5, 240.
Yes, it is already into 2, into 3, into 4. So compulsory it should be into 5, right? So if it is into 5, 48 5s, it is not 250, it is
240.
240 only. So this is the wrong number in the given series. So in place of 250, there should be 240, but he is asking for the wrong number only. So that's why we can say 250 is the wrong number. And before confirming this 250 as the answer, we have to verify the logic for the remaining elements also. What are the remaining elements? 6, 3, 6, 12, and 24. What is the logic for that? 3 to 6 into 2. Again 6 to 12.
6 to the 12.
12
and
also
then
into
12
2,
into 2.
and it is also into 2. So one series is with into 2 only, direct into 2 only, but another series is into 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, yeah, inserting missing character. Yes. Let me give you another question here. Try to get the answer for this. Tell the answer for this. What should be in place of question mark?
Sir, is that 20 above 10?
Sorry. Yes, 20. This box is 20. Didn't get the logic? Yes.
So 1 minute. I'm
Okay. Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sometimes we can take the numbers like this. So it's a number series only. I have given number series numbers in this format. So here the number series is 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, 20, 22. And the question mark can be after 22 or it can be before 1 also, right? Because it is in the cyclic form, we cannot say it is after 22 or it is before that one. Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Tell.
is it 44?
Yes, 44 is the correct one. Now tell your logic.
So basically, I started from 1 and I said 1 into, I followed your pattern and it was into, plus, and plus.
No. Tell that. How it is into. Into means how
Because,
much it is into. How much into?
1 into 2 is equal to 2.
Okay,
Then
into
2 into 2 is 4.
Okay.
Then 4 into 2 is 8.
Okay.
And then after that, 8 plus 2 is 10.
Okay.
Then 10 into 2 is 20.
Okay. Is the pattern is following or is there any change?
There is a change, sir.
So I
Then-
got the same method, but so I didn't.
But it is again into 2, right? So here something is diverting you. Something is diverting you. Try to identify that. What is that something? This is that something. It is not only into 2, yeah. It can be plus 2 also.
Sir, that can be plus 2.
Yeah, 2 to 4, it can be into 2 or it can be plus 2 also. As the surroundings are into 2 and into 2, you are it is making you to divert. Yes or no? Like into 2. But actually here it is not into 2, it is plus 2 only. If it is plus 2, then observe all the pattern. Into 2 plus 2 in
So
alternative
44.
equations. Yes, 44. So actually the answer is 44. Suppose if it is not there in the options, then suppose 44 is not there in the options. Ben? Yes. Yeah, see, you are saying by considering this 22, it should be into 2, right? Yes or no? 22 into 2 is 44. Yes.
Yeah.
And I already given you a hint point. What is that hint is? So because it is in the cyclic form, cyclic form, it can be after 22 or it can be before 1 also. It can be before 1 also. Means here
So
actually.
is it -1?
Yes, -1. Yes, correct. So after doing +2, we should get 1. Means it should be -1. So that is the another possible answer. -2, -1 plus 2 is +1, right? So either
Yes.
44 or -1 is the possible answers in this place. According to the options, we have to respond. So this type of questions, one way of taking the numbers is like this, and another way of, but actually this question is not like this question. This question is different. It is another way. See that pattern also. So it is not following any pattern. Sorry, it is not following any sequence like this or clockwise or anti-clockwise. But here it is following like this, opposite number relation. What is the relation here? What is the difference?
Sir, I got the logic, but my answer isn't matching.
Okay, let us verify. So what is the difference here, 25 and 21?
No, sir, it's matching.
Okay.
So
Four,
I've
right?
done 27, I started from 27. The difference is 3, and then 30 to 33, it's also 3. So from 23 to 21 to 23, it's 2. So first number should be 19 or 27. So it's 19 because 27 isn't in the option.
Okay, okay. You followed this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm saying I'm giving another way of logic, that is opposite number relation. Opposite number relation. So this 25 is opposite to 21. What is the difference?
4.
4. And this 36 is opposite to 30. What is the difference?
6.
6. Okay. And this 33 is opposite to 27. What is the difference?
6.
6. So means alternatively 6, 4, 6. Next difference must be
4.
4. So with that 4, this number can be, as you said, this number can be either 23 plus 4, it can be 27, or 23 minus 4, it can be 19 also. So whichever available in the options, that is the correct one. Which is there in the options?
19.
19. Okay. So here, remember, this type of questions are given. You may take all the numbers in a sequence order, or you can think opposite logic also, opposite number relation also. Okay. Right. Next. Yeah. 10th question.
Sir, W.
Logic.
Sir, from B to D, it's the difference is 2, and
Okay.
from D to G, it's 3.
Okay. And is it the same for the next column?
Yes, sir.
No. Here the difference is 3.
Yes, sir. Here 3.
And it is?
And then 4.
4. Means 1 is increasing. 2 and 3,
Yes,
but
sir.
it is 3 and 4. So here what is the difference? And we have to increase one
4
number.
and 5.
So here already the difference is 4. We have to take it as 5. So 18 plus 5 is 23. This is 18, no? R. 18 plus 5 is 23. Corresponding letter is W. Correct. Okay. Next, 11.
Sir,
Tell.
I actually have a question. So if possible, can you go to the grade 9 paper once?
Grade 9 paper. Where is that paper?
I have given it in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, this is class 8. Okay. This one is class 8 only. And this is, yeah, class 9. This one, right?
Yeah. Can you go to question number 10?
10. Okay.
Wait, sorry, it's not that one.
Not 10, right?
No, wait, I'll just send it again once. 2 minutes.
Okay.
So can you explain the ninth one in this? Today I gave a mock test of Fiji paper. There were 2 questions from dice part.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Listen, one time listen to me. Dice problems, if any dice problems are there, we can answer them in a jiffy, in a fraction of a second, we can answer them. So there are only 2 models in dice. There are only 2 models in dice. No other models are there. Other than these 2 models, any model is given, we can say the answer as we cannot determine. Okay. Other than these 2 models,
Yes, sir.
if any extra models are given, then we can answer them as we cannot determine. So the 2 models are, now who is listening to me? Jivika?
Sir, Vedika.
Vedika. Okay. What about Jivika?
Sir, I'm also here.
Okay. I'm writing it here. What are the 2 models are? I'm taking 2 dice positions. Yeah, the numbers are like 3, 4, and 5, 3, 6, and 1. Okay. So here, how many numbers are common?
3.
No. How many numbers are common in these 2 positions?
1.
Yeah, there is only one number common. What is that number?
3.
Yeah, that number is 3. That number is 3. Suppose if the question is opposite to 4. So tell me, this 4 is from 3, this 4 is clockwise first number or anti-clock first number?
Anti-clockwise.
So in the another dice also, what is the anti-clock first number from 3?
1.
That's all. That is the answer. Got it? When we have to apply this shortcut? If only one number is common.
So
If
if we
only
have
one
to
number is
find something opposite,
opposite only. So in overall dice, he will ask only one question, opposite to 4. I'm taking
Okay,
any
sir.
other question, like tell me the opposite number of 6.
5.
Yeah, how it will be 5? So 6
Sir,
is the
because
from 3, 6 is the clockwise first number or anti-clock first number?
clockwise.
Clockwise. In another dice, from 3, clockwise first number is
5.
5. That's all. 5 is the answer. So
So
just tell
what
me.
if there is,
Tell.
sir, if there is nothing common in that?
Yeah, nothing common. I will say that. Okay. So this is the first case. Remember, like first case, case 1. Okay. And opposite to 3, tell me this. So opposite to 3 is the only common number in both the dice.
So is it 2?
Yeah, number which is not there in these 2 positions is the answer. Number which is not there in these 2 is
2.
2. That's all. 2 is the answer. Is it easy or not?
So it's easy.
Okay, let me ask one more question with the same case. Like 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 1. Okay. Now, what is the number opposite to 1? Tell me. What is the number opposite to 1?
So 3.
3. No.
No, sir, 5.
Yeah,
Because
you're doing
it's
mistake. What is that mistake? What is the common number here?
the 4 I've done anti-clockwise.
Yeah, from 4, is it a clockwise first number or anti-clock first number? 1.
So clockwise.
So in another dice also from 4 clockwise first number is
5.
5. That's the answer. Tell me what is the number opposite to 2?
4.
Yes, because 2 is not there in these two positions. So the number which is common in both the positions is the answer then, 4. Okay, tell me what is the number opposite to 3?
6.
Yeah, how it will be 6? So from
So
4,
because it's
3 is
anti-clockwise.
anti-clock first number. From 4, anti-clock first number is 6. So I think you are perfect in case 1, right? What is that case 1?
Sir, if one number is common.
Yeah, one number is common, right? So I'm going to case 2. Case 2 is if 2 numbers are common. If 2 numbers are common. Tell me, I'm taking 2 positions of a dice. The numbers are 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 6. Now tell me, what is the number opposite to? What we can ask? 5. What is the number opposite to 3? And what is the number opposite to 4? Can I say the
Sir,
shortcut?
for 5 it's 3.
No. Can I say the shortcut?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In case of this one, if 2 numbers are common, then uncommon numbers are opposite. What are the uncommon numbers in both the dice?
1 and 2.
No, uncommon numbers, numbers which are not there in both the dice. Which are not there means
5.
In this dice 5. In this dice
Sorry, 6.
6. That's all. These two are opposite. 3 and 4 common, right? In both the dice 3 and 4 common.
Yes, sir.
Then uncommon numbers are 5 and 6. So then 5 opposite is 6. Okay, here I am writing that note point, a shortcut point. Uncommon numbers are opposite. Uncommon numbers are opposite.
Sir, so for 3 it's 4.
No. For 6, you're telling for 6.
No, sir, for 3.
For 3, okay. Tell me what is the number opposite to 3?
4.
No. See, remember one thing. If the 3 numbers are appearing, if the 3 numbers are visible, means they cannot be opposite. Because they are adjacent, we are able to see them. Can you see opposite numbers at a time for a dice?
No, sir.
So then, how it will be for 3, 4? How 4 will be opposite? So the 3 numbers are opposite means they cannot be. Sorry, 3 numbers are visible means they cannot be opposite. In case of dice, the point is we cannot see both the opposite numbers at a time. Remember that. So corresponding to this 3 and 4, corresponding to this 3 and 4, there are 2 more numbers which are not visible. As long as 3 and 4 are visible, the 2 other numbers are not visible. What are the 2 other numbers?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Then what is the number opposite to 3? It can be 1
or 2.
or 2. What is the number opposite to 4? Also, it can be
1
1
or 2.
or 2. What is the number
Sir,
opposite
so
to
we
2?
cannot find.
Yes. What is the number opposite to 2?
3.
No.
or 4?
Yeah, 3
or
or
4.
4. So as these two numbers are visible, invisible numbers are opposite. As the for the invisible numbers, visible numbers are opposite. Okay. So for
Sir,
one,
so we cannot find a proper unique number?
yeah, for the case 2 purpose is for this one. Case 2 purpose is this one. What is the purpose? What is the purpose?
Sir, uncommon number are opposite.
Yeah, when it is the shortcut, when we have to use the shortcut.
Sir, when two numbers are common.
Yeah, when two numbers are common in two positions, then uncommon numbers are opposite. That is the shortcut. And for other two numbers, so our answer should be can't say.
Sir, so what if there are no number common in the given figure?
Yeah, this is case 1 and this is case 2 other than these two cases. Other than above two cases. Other than above two cases. For every question, our answer will be can't say. Simply remember that. Okay. There may be other than one number common, other than two numbers common, other than these two cases. For every other thing, no numbers common, all the numbers common. For everything, our answer will be can't say.
Okay, sir.
So that's all. That is overall the dice. Complete dice are these three cases only. One case is we can find all the opposite places. What is that case?
Sir, case 1.
Case 1. What is that case?
Only one number is common.
Only one number is common. We can find all the three opposite pairs. Next, if only two numbers are common, then we can find
the uncommon numbers opposite.
We can find only one opposite pair. What is that pair is? Uncommon numbers are opposite. And even in this case also, there is one more can't say answer for the numbers, the common numbers. For the common numbers, numbers which are not there are the possibilities. And other than these two cases, for every other question, our answer will be can't say or cannot be determined. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now you can see this question. This one. Tell me, this question comes under which case? Case 1 or case 2 or case 3? How many numbers are common here?
So case 1.
Tell me how many numbers are common?
One number. Two numbers. Sir.
Yeah, 2 is common and 1 is common. Two numbers are common, then the point is, the shortcut is uncommon numbers are opposite. Okay.
Sir, uncommon number are opposite.
So the uncommon number here is 5 and here is 4. So 5 and 4 are opposite. So he is asking for
Option
5 points,
D.
opposite to 5 points. So answer is 4. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll see if any more dice questions are there in this paper. No. And let us verify other paper also. If any dice questions are there. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, there is one more other type of dice position here. This one. This is the folded form of dice. Folded form of dice. And we have to say this one is unfolded form of dice. Okay. I'm explaining here unfolded form of dice. There are many other forms, and let us discuss for these two, and we'll extend our concept to other. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. Can I say the shortcut directly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here the shortcut is, if it is unfolded form, there will be one strip of 4 faces. Compulsory, there will be one strip of 3 or 4 faces. Okay. So in strip,
Yes, sir.
one face gap are opposite. In strip, one face gap are opposite. So just tell me, from 2, one face gap is
5,
5. So from 3, one face gap is
6.
other than strip, remaining 2 are automatically opposite. Other than strip, remaining 2 are automatically opposite. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, 2 opposite is 5, 3 opposite is 6, 4 and 1 automatically opposite. And now you will answer this. Now you can say the answer for this. Tell me. This is 6, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4. In this, tell me the opposite pairs. 2 opposite is
Sir, 2 and 5 are opposite.
correct. Then
1 and 3.
Yeah, 1 and 3 are opposite.
And then
these
6 and 4.
6 and 2 automatic, right? Okay. And let me draw one more picture here. Other type of picture. This type of forms will be there sometimes. 6, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5. Here, how many strips are there?
6 and
How many strips are there?
3.
No,
2 strips.
2 strips. This
2
is one.
strips.
Yeah, this is another strip. So even though the strip may be of 3 faces or 4 faces, our point is same. The shortcut point is same. One face gap are opposite.
Yes, sir.
So from 6, one face gap is?
Sir, 6 and 1 are opposite.
6 and 1 opposite.
4 and 5.
4 and 5 are opposite. And remaining 2
3 and 2.
automatically. 3 and 2 automatically opposite. If you can find 2 opposite faces and the remaining 2 automatically opposite, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see this question. So he is asking, which of the following options will be the folded form of the given unfolded dice? Okay. So how to answer this? Tell the idea of behind this. How to answer this question? Give just idea.
So we have to find the common letters and then
No.
see if that's matching.
No. Here these are options. Is not asking to find any opposite pairs. Okay. Here, if you fold this unfolded form, it will appear like option A or option B or option C or option D. That is your question. See, the way is, from this unfolded form, we can find all opposite pairs, right? From this unfolded form, we can find all opposite pairs. Tell me the opposite pairs in this unfolded form. P opposite is?
P and S.
Okay. T opposite?
Sir, so we have to keep 2
okay,
opposite.
just tell me this. T opposite is?
P and U.
Then R opposite is?
R and Q.
Q. Okay. Now tell me your point.
So we have to find in the dice there should be one non-opposite letter.
Yeah, here we have to eliminate options. We have to eliminate options such that opposite pairs are given adjacent. If any in any position opposite pairs are given adjacent, we have to eliminate that option. First option can be or cannot be?
Cannot be.
Cannot be because of P and S. Because P and S are opposite, we cannot see both the opposite faces at a time. That's why option A is cancelled. So now tell me, option B can be or cannot be?
Cannot be.
Why cannot be? Because
so
of
Q
R
and R.
Yeah, Q and R. That's why this is also cancelled. Option C can be or cannot be?
Cannot be.
Cannot be because of P and S. So option D can be or cannot be? As the three options are
be.
gone, answer must be option D only. But for our comfortability, we'll check this one also. So as the
Yes,
P
sir,
is
it can
visible,
be.
yeah, as the P is visible, there should not be S. Yes, there is no S. Okay. As the T is visible, there should not be U. Yeah, U is also not there. As Q is visible, there should not be R. Yes, this can be the answer, right? This is the way to do dice questions. Okay. It is not disconnected actually.
Sir,
Tell.
I posted the question in the WhatsApp group.
Okay. One sec. Yeah, in this also there is one dice question. Just we'll complete this and we'll come to your question. Yeah, see, the number 3 is in the bottom, and the question is sorry. Identify the number in the bottom if 3 is on the top. Means he is asking for opposite to 3. Just by seeing the dice positions, tell me this question comes under which case? One number common or
Case
two numbers
1.
common?
One number common.
What is that one number?
Sir, 6.
6. From 6, 3 is a clockwise first number or anti-clockwise?
Sir, anti-clockwise.
So in
Answer
another
is
also anti-clock first
5.
number is 5. So the 5 is there in option C.
Yes, sir.
If the question comes, it should not go wrong. Okay. In case of dice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. As it is 8:30, we'll continue or we'll wind up.
So we can do Jivika's question.
Sorry? Jivika's question. Okay. Let me take my WhatsApp. Jivika, you sent in group. Okay. Okay, so this one we will see tomorrow. Okay. This is not dice concept. This is counting figures. Counting of figures. Jivika.
Yeah, sir. I actually hate these questions because I find them so hard to count.
Actually, this question is very easy. Okay, I will tell this answer and I will tell this type of questions tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Not only this question, we'll discuss many questions like this.
Okay.
Okay. And any more? We'll meet tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.